Hello marine engineers, welcome back to our next lectures on SC and S. So again in this lectures we will going to solve some numericals on the basis of fuel consumptions. So a vessel uses 125 tons of fuel on a voyage when traveling at 16 knots. Calculate the mass of fuel saved. Yes, question is asking about mass of fuel saved. Clear? If on the return voyage the speed is reduced to 15 knots. Suppose just assume my ship started from Haldia port, Haldia to, and reached, suppose Mozambique. Clear? So from Haldia to Mozambique, this is my voyage. Clear? So how much? 125 tons of fuel consumed, and my ship's speed was 16 knots. Clear? And same path, returning path, calculate the mass of fuel saved if on the return voyage the speed is reduced to 15 knots. Clear? Now speed is reduced to 15 knots. Now tell me how much mass of fuel saved. Clear? How to proceed? Simple है relationship between fuel consumptions. Clear? So new voyage consumptions, fuel consumptions by old voyage fuel consumptions. See, fuel consumptions depends upon displacement, velocity and distance. Clear? Now my distance is same from Haldia to Mozambique and from Mozambique to Haldia. Same distance. See, ये क्या हो गया? सिंपल, ये जाने वाला पाथ है, ये आने वाला पाथ है, दोनों इक्वल है ना. क्लियर? यस, सेम रूट. तो सिंपली इट टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन वी न्यू बाय वी ओल्ड. एंड यस, क्वेश्चन में ये भी बोला है एज्यूम डिस्प्लेसमेंट ऑफ शिप्स रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट. क्लियर? नाउ न्यू वोयाज कंजम्पशंस. सो न्यू वोयाज कंजम्पशंस, just I am assuming S2 by S1 is equal to V new by V old whole square. right? चलो तो अब यहां देखो S new by S old is equal to V new by V old whole square. तो यहां पर कैसे मुझे फाइंड करना है? क्लियर? तो S new is equal to S old fuel consumptions from Haldia to Mozambique into V new by V old whole square. We need to find fuel consumptions from Mozambique to Haldia. See, just assume question is given fuel consumption from Haldia to Mozambique is 125 ton. Now we need to find how much fuel is saved if ship's speed reduced to 15 knots. And now tell me how much fuel is saved. So first of all we need to find the how much fuel burn if ship is going from Mozambique to Haldia, right? So fuel consumption in this case S old. तो फ्यूल कंजम्पशन ओल्ड 125 टन्स. 125 इंटू न्यू स्पीड क्या है? 15 नोट्स बाय ओल्ड क्या है? 16, राइट? 16 नोट्स होल स्क्वायर. प्लीज फाइंड इट. 125 इंटू 15 बाय 16 होल स्क्वायर. 110 ton. 110 10 ton. See, what does it mean? Now, fuel burn, if ship is going from Haldia to Mozambique, then fuel burn how much? 125 ton. And again from Mozambique to Haldia, fuel कितनी burn हो रही है? 110 ton. तो saved fuel is how much? हल्दिया से मोजम्बिक जाने में 125 टन फ्यूल बर्न हो रही है, मोजम्बिक से हल्दिया आने में 110 टन फ्यूल बर्न हो रही है. तो सेव्ड फ्यूल इज नथिंग बट 125 माइनस 110, दैट इज 15 टन्स. क्लियर? एनी डाउट? So this is all about our today's lectures. Thank you.